One American versus one black. Go! They're fighting. Which race is gonna win? Oh, the black guy takes the hit. Oh, the black guy's butt is in the camera.
Wait up. He's rescuing.
The white guy is making up lies. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, Tariq? Are you gonna get back up? Aren't you gonna get back up? The American got the guy on this ground. Damn on his face. Oh.
This one he gets hit up the ass.
Yeah, go hard like you did an angel. Go hard like you did an angel.
We're not punching.
I know, we're stripping. Derek, go ahead, do it like you did on Angel. Do some freaking missions. Oh, shoot. The fat American is going. The fat American's freaking cracking his neck.
Black guy in the world is going.
Come on. Come on, I'm tired of just recording. Damn. This one can't pause. Hi, Miss Starks. Oh, shh. We had to cancel this for a second because David's teacher's here. Okay. So,
Can you actually hear the,
yeah.
You're gonna hear. I finished my homework. It's in the class. What is the ordered pair? What is the coordinate grid? That thing we had?
Derek, it's 5 o'clock. Come on.
No.
Where's my phone? Oh. Ready? Set. Go. Derek, we have to go. It's 5 o'clock. Dia has to take us to the place. Go.
Now what happened?
Come on.
Now I'm gonna go hard.
Go hard.
We can't punch them. Why are they fighting?
No, it's play. I'm recording it. They said to record it so we can put it on YouTube. 3. Oh, here, come on, here. You record. Now me and David.
Okay, yeah, you're gonna get me down to the bit.
Oh! Oh! The white kid is down. The white kid is down. Repeating, the white kid is down. Oh! Oh, the white kid is running.
Keon, get out.
Okay, there. Now there, you hold it.
Want me to say something for you? 2 against 1.
Okay, 2 against 2. Keon, hold it.
No, it's only right now, me and you.
Oh.
Ready? Let's go.
He's fastest.
Where? Nowhere. Ready? Set, go. You want to hit you, man?
He didn't fall. David. Come on, Derek, you know what to do. Remember what you did to Angel? Mission. Do some mission moves. Is Dion gonna play? I'm sure it's going.
No, but what if your parents sees it?
It doesn't matter. Our dad. You can't see nothing.
Let's do shuffling right now.